from being Rishabh Pant's replacement to now Delhi Capitals' rising star, I'm currently joined by Abhishek Purel, the boy from Bengal. He's just 21 years old, wicket keeper and batsman. And you've done a splendid job in the last couple of years. This time we know that it's a new game, but same old franchise, which is Delhi Capitals, but a new captain this time. How do you feel about playing under Akshar Patel?
ऑब्वियसली फील्स गुड क्योंकि लास्ट 2 साल से मैं था और मैं देखा हूँ ऑन द फील्ड ऑफ द फील्ड क्या उसका फोकस रहता है और ऑफ द फील्ड कितना फ़नी रहता है, तो कहीं ना कहीं रियली एक्साइटेड उसके अंडर कैप्टनसी में खेलने का।
ऑफ द फील्ड फनी रहते हैं, कुछ एक किस्सा सुना दीजिए।
कोई भी जोक्स दे देता है, कभी ना कभी बस में हम लोग का स्पीकर बजाते हैं तो कोई ना कोई जोक्स देते हैं, ऑलवेज स्माइल करते हैं, बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है ये, ऑलवेज भी स्माइल, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है उसके साथ टाइम बिताने के। तो आगे कभी जो अभी 2 महीना है 2.5 महीना है तो अंडर कैप्टनसी एज अ बिग ब्रदर ऑलवेज अच्छा लगेगा खेलने।
How was it working with Rishabh Pant? Like, how do you think the leadership qualities will differ now?
तो नहीं, मेरे को नहीं लगता है बहुत सारा कोई भी डिफ़ॉल्ट मेरे को नहीं लगता है, क्योंकि दोनों ऑलमोस्ट सेम है। अभी कैप्टेंसी करेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं दिखेगा कि क्या हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, बट होपफुली हम लोग अच्छा करेंगे और उसका अंडर कैप्टेंसी में अच्छा करेंगे।
What are your future plans, like in terms of securing a spot in Team India's T20 or ODI squad? Because you have been playing massively well. You started in 2022 for your domestic game, and then you have just risen, without looking back at all. How do you think your future will shape up now? What are your plans?
अभी तो देखो, अभी मैं मेरा तो ऑब्वियसली बचपन से एम है इंडिया के लिए खेलूँ, तीनों फॉर्मेट खेलूँ, बट स्टिल अभी तक तो मेरा कोई अपकमिंग कोई थिंकिंग नहीं है कि मेरे को इंडिया टीम में आना है तो मेरे को इतना रन बनाना है उतना बनाना है। बस मेरे को अभी ये मैं प्रोसेस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देता हूँ अदर देन रिजल्ट्स। तो मेरे को वही प्रोसेस देखना है कि अभी आगे मेरा क्या है, और आगे मेरा टूर्नामेंट आईपीएल का टूर्नामेंट है, तो मेरे को टीम के लिए कितना अच्छा खेल सकूँ और टीम के लिए कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन कर सकूँ, वो ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए।
Speaking about the process, is there any one particular segment in your game which you want to refine for the IPL?
टू बी ऑन मतलब नहीं, वैसा कुछ नहीं है, जस्ट मैं अपना गेम को समझाऊँ और मेरे को पता है कि मेरा स्कोरिंग एरिया क्या है, मेरा डिफ़िकल्टीज एरिया क्या है, तो कहीं ना कहीं उसमें ही ज़्यादा काम कर रहा हूँ और आगे जाके यही करूँगा कि मेरा अपना गेम जो है वही मैं चलाता जाऊँ।
Also, an interesting question about your cousin Ishan Purel. He is playing for Punjab Kings. Is there a deep-seated, competition, or do you guys push each other to do better? Because he's a batsman, you're a wicket keeper, and also a batter. But how is the rapport between you and your cousin?
There is no rapport. We are very very funny. We are very strong bond. कभी कभी वो खेलता है तो मैं पुश करता हूँ, कभी मैं खेलता हूँ, तो ऑलवेज बिहाइंड माई बैक एज अ द क्लोज ब्रदर। मतलब बहुत ही मतलब ब्रदर से ज़्यादा मैं क्या बोलूँ, मतलब
Qualities, कोई quality that you want to learn from him and vice versa.
वो बोलता है कि जहाँ पे भी रहो शांत रहो और बी हम्बल। ये मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि वो बोलते हैं कहीं पे भी खेलो कहीं पे भी मिलो, ऑलवेज बी हम्बल, अपना शांत रहो, ठीक से खाओ, ठीक रखो, सब कुछ रहो, सब आगे ठीक होगा बस।
And my last question is that you're a very young player who has gotten so much of spotlight coming from Bengal. We don't see that many IPL regulars, coming from Bengal. What do you think should change to get more and more young players from Bengal?
आई थिंक इट्स इंडिविजुअली पे डिपेंड करता है, क्योंकि बंगाल में ऐसा नहीं है कि टैलेंट नहीं है, बहुत सारे टैलेंट है, बट समाओ कहीं ना कहीं इंडिविजुअली लैक कर रहे हैं हम लोग, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं मेरे को लगता है कि लैकिंग कहीं पे आ जा रहा है, वो इंडिविजुअली डिपेंड करता है, बट होपफुली नेक्स्ट सीज़न हम लोग का जो टूर्नामेंट्स आने वाला है, हम लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं बाकी के बंगाल प्लेयर्स, होपफुली गेट पिक्ड बाय ऑक्शन नेक्स्ट ईयर।
You had huge mentorship from Saurav Ganguly and Ricky Ponting. Do you think that is something that is lacking there?
नॉट लाइक दैट, बट बहुत बड़ा रोल है, मेरा रोल किया है मेरे लिए सौरव गांगुली एंड रिकी पॉन्टिंग, सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल, आई एम वेरी फेथफुल।
Right. Last word on your expectations from this year's IPL, because Delhi Capitals has never won. This year, what do you think? What are the prospects?
Win IPL trophy, that's it.
Well, I am joined by someone who, of course, Paul Adams has called the future of Delhi Capitals. He's our 24-year-old South African wicketkeeper and batsman. Thank you for speaking to NDTV. Well, last year in IPL 2024, you scored a quick fire 57 runs of 25 balls. What is your goal for this year? How excited are you?
Yeah, I'm really excited to get going, to hopefully kick on from last year. Got a really exciting team, so hopefully we can do something really special.
Earlier, you officially declared that Test cricket is your favorite kind. What's challenging in terms of T20 cricket? What do you feel is the most challenging part, especially as a overseas player?
Yeah, the T20 game, you got so little time, and you really got to take risks from ball one most of the time. So that's the biggest thing, and you often are really inconsistent, but it's trying to find a little bit of consistency in the game somehow.
Last year, you were the second highest scorer for Delhi Capitals, I believe. You made around 405 runs and in total. And this year, what is your goal? I mean, are you planning to, shift your strategy to something new, or are you going to stick to your quintessential strategy this time?
It depends. We'll see what the team needs of me. Obviously, a lot of new players here, so that my role might change. I might have to bat somewhere else. So whatever is asked upon me, I'll give it my best and see what we can do from there.
Well, in the recent times, we saw there was a dip in your performance. We didn't see as much of fire in your game in the last couple of matches. How do you plan on to bring back that fire? How is your training going? Fitness regime going?
No, I've been training really well. Fitness is there. It's very difficult to bat in South Africa, so hopefully get on some good wickets here and see where we can go.
My last question is, of course, we know that Plessis will be starting the game this year from Delhi Capitals. He's quite senior. He's a legend in himself. How do you plan to learn from him in terms of the qualities as a cricketer?
No, I've already batted with him in the nets. Just listening to him speak and how he thinks about the game is really cool, and hopefully I can just build up his knowledge the whole season.
And lastly, your prediction for Team India, for Delhi Capitals this year, what do you think is going to happen? Because they have their performance has been great, but big wins have always eluded them. Why do you think that is?
You're asking the wrong person, but we're going to come out trying to win the competition, give it our best, and see where we go from there.
Thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. Thank you. Well, I'm currently joined by Mohit Sharma, an experienced bowler who has played in 96 matches and has taken almost 132 wickets. And of course, his experience is going to decide the fate of Delhi Capitals this time at least. What are your predictions? How's your excitement this time around?
एक्साइटमेंट तो मैम बिल्कुल टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है. होपफुली सब सारी चीज़ें अगर इक्वेशन अच्छी बैठती है तो अब दिल्ली कैपिटल्स इस साल अच्छा करेगी.
Sir, let's address the elephant in the room. Like in 2024, your performance wasn't your best. We of course know that it was the most expensive spell, and you kept mentioning. I overheard the word destiny quite a few times. How do you plan to overcome that baggage of that performance last year? Is there nervousness this time, or is there a newfound determination?
नहीं मैम, कोई नर्वसनेस नहीं है. येस, बीइंग अ बॉलर देखिए और तो कोई मार खाएगा नहीं. बॉल हमने डालनी है, मार भी हम खाएंगे. वो कई बार सुपर एक्सपेंसिव भी हो सकता है. कई बार ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने बहुत एक्सपेंसिव स्पेल डाला है तो आपने 4 में 16 नहीं दिए. 4 में 16 लेके हमने 5 विकेटें भी ली हैं, 4 चीज़ें भी करी हैं. तो येस, रही ओवरकम की कहानी, तो आपको हमेशा किसी भी ऐसे बड़े टूर्नामेंट में एक टाइम डिसाइड करना होता है कि इतने टाइम के बाद मैं उस परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में सोचूंगा नहीं और उससे सीख के आगे निकलूंगा. मूव ऑन किस तरीके से करता हूँ वो बहुत ज़रूरी है बड़े टूर्नामेंट में. तो मेरे साथ वही है कि मैं एक टाइम देता हूँ और कोशिश करता हूँ कि जब भी अगर वापस से मुझे सेम सिचुएशन टैकल करनी पड़ेगी तो मुझे मालूम हो कि मेरे क्या प्लान्स हैं. मैं ब्लैंक माइंड ना जाऊँ. जिस दिन मैंने मार खाई हो सकता है मैं उस दिन ब्लैंक माइंड था, लेकिन अगर मेरा अगला मैच जब वो सेम सिनारियो क्रिएट हो, अगर मैं 2 में 40 वापस खा के बैठा हूँ, तो आई होप कि मुझे तीसरे मैच में पता हो कि मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ.
So you're a veteran bowler. I mean, you have been picked up for your death bowling skills. How are you planning to train the young bowlers in Delhi Capitals team?
मैम एग्जैक्टली सेम. यस, हम प्रैक्टिस में एक ही बात करते हैं कि हम किस तरीके से रिपीटिशंस बढ़ा सकते हैं अपनी। क्रिकेट इज़ ऑल अबाउट रिपीटिशंस, इट्स ऑल अबाउट मसल मेमोरी। ठीक है, तो हम ये कोशिश करते हैं कि हम अगर यॉर्कर डाल रहे हैं या हम लोग स्लोअर डाल रहे हैं, हम लोग या कंप्लीट पैकेज बना रहे हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं हो कि हम लोग 10 बॉलें डाल के हट गए हैं। मेक श्योर कि वो रिपीटिशंस इतनी हो कि जब आप ग्राउंड में जाएँ तो आपको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस हो कि मैं वो चीज़ें करके आ चुका हूँ। अगर वहाँ पे देखो प्रेशर तो होगा, नो डाउट, कोई ये बोले कि प्रेशर नहीं होगा तो वो झूठ है, प्रेशर होगा, लेकिन वही प्रेशर आपको कहीं ना कहीं नेट में क्रिएट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि आपके लिए मैच सिनारियो ईजी हो।
Any new strategy, because we have international players like Michelle Stark also in the team, as a any new bowling strategy, because you're a person who has represented India in international T20s, ODIs, and you have been a valuable asset for IPL as well. So any new bowling strategy that you're planning to undertake?
कोई नई स्ट्रेटजी नहीं है, वही पुरानी स्ट्रेटजी है। बस कोशिश करेंगे कि जाके अच्छे से एग्जीक्यूट कर पाएँ अपने प्लान्स, और कुछ नहीं है। बस वापस से जो आपने बोला कि बहुत बार आप सुन चुके हो, डेस्टिनी, होपफुली ऊँट हमारे करवट, ऊँट का करवट जो होगा वो हमारी साइड होगा।
And expectations from Akshar Patel, our new captain?
अक्षर को इन एंड आउट में जानता हूँ, और एक्सपेक्टेशन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। एक्सपेक्टेशन एक बहुत भारी वर्ड है मैम, एक्सपेक्टेशन तो कुछ भी नहीं है। बस हम आएंगे, एंजॉय करेंगे। अभी बापू आएगा, बापू का माहौल बनाने का आदत है, माहौल बनाएगा, सबको रिलैक्स रखेगा, और होपफुली इसी फेज़ में हम लोग अच्छा करते चले जाएँ, तो इससे अच्छी बात ही नहीं है।
Thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. Thank you, sir. Well, I'm currently joined by Karun Nair, and he's a versatile right-handed batsman and the one who has scored a triple century in only his third innings for Team India. Sir, how do you plan to translate that monumental success in T20?
I think it's been a while since I did that, but looking forward to making new memories with the Delhi Capitals and having an exciting season ahead. And for my personal self, I think I'd like to be contributing to the team's success, trying to contribute in every way I can to the team winning games, and hopefully at the end of 2 months we'll be here with the title.
Sir, we know for a fact that Delhi has been great performers, but they have always eluded from the victory point of view, from the title point of view. What kind of innovations are you all planning to make in terms of the craft to get the trophy this year?
I think it's very early to say that. Every team starts from scratch at the start of the tournament, so we're still trying to learn about ourselves, and we've put together a great squad. So we've had a couple of training sessions which have been really amazing, and we look forward to starting the season well, which is really important.
Is there a new strategy, because now we have a new captain, which is Akshar Patel, instead of Rishabh Pant? How do you think this will change the dynamics in the team?
Obviously, there'll be different thoughts, different opinions, and different strategies. That's something that the team management will sit and decide and let us players know very soon. And for us players, it's about preparing well at the moment. We have a few days left for the tournament, and that's all we're trying to look to do now.
You have played for various franchises over the year, and you have been a valuable asset for IPL, for that matter. Do you think that kind of helps you build your confidence over the years, or do you think it disrupts the rhythm and consistency, by playing for different teams?
I think it's valuable experiences. Different franchises ask different things of you. You play in different positions. So I've been someone who's played in most of the positions. So I feel I'm at a nice stage right now to fulfill any responsibility that's given to me, and I'm quite relaxed, and I'm confident that I can contribute to the team winning.
Are you seeking for any particular role this time?
Nothing really. Like I said, we've just had a couple of training sessions. Still, trying to prepare well for the tournament, and prepare for every position that.
Any specific goal for this year?
Specific goal is, like I said, try and contribute to the team and give my best in every position that I play, and try and win games for the team.
So you think the history might repeat itself? We might see you scoring a triple century this time around as well?
Well, triple hundred is not possible in a T20 game for sure, but hopefully whenever I get the opportunity, try to give my 100% and make an impact in every innings that I play.
Thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. Can this new leadership and a well-balanced squad finally help Delhi Capitals end their title drought? Well, we will have to wait and watch. With camera person Ritvik, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.